protesting here.
Yeah. Well, I saw you here in the afternoon after the court case. When was that?
That's right, yeah, court case, yeah.
Yeah, you came over here and you stood on the steps.
I took that motto, Armoured Corps motto, and then I told them at Freedom Riding meeting when they heard about Maresbrook trees and such being cut down, like, you know. And they mentioned Western Road, and I said I'd put money on it, that these trees will not come down, committed me so. And I mentioned this motto at the Freedom Riders, and I said that I'm going to Town Hall and I'm going to get a banner made, and I'm going to sit in Town Hall in protest. And that's what I did. I brought that motto, that's Armoured Corps motto. And that's one I saw 60 years ago.
So my understanding is it's a one-man effort, but people come to support you.
No, the tree protesters.
Yes, yeah.
No, these are main ones.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
But like them, I've just come here to see what's going on and support you in your little slant on things, because you're not really.
Was you at courthouse?
Say again?
Did I see you at courthouse?
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
So you haven't got a mobile phone or any way of getting in touch with STAG online or anything.
No phone.
So it is very much you're doing this off your own back, isn't it? Yeah, and that's the message you give out to everyone.
Is speak for itself.
Yeah.
I knew that if I come and put that up outside Town Hall, I knew that there's no way that they could go against this motto and army.
Well,
these lads did.
they do things like that.
Security come and said you're breaking the law. I said, I'm not. He said, yes, you're breaking the law. So I said, I'm not. And I went and sat in on the steps in Town Hall. And one councillor come and moved that law. I went across that with a cup of coffee, and that was just in between. And she complained that it not to security. She said, go and take that board away. Somebody might just bother it. Well, it was ridiculous because it was in a position that nobody could go near it, you know.
Yeah,
so
I mean, some of the councillors are really embarrassed about what their ruling council are doing.
It's embarrassed them,
and they're just finding excuses basically to try and
the way to do it.
To try and get rid of people.
Jarvis, you know Jarvis, Lord Mayor.
The regional.
Illegal war. He's been on Radio Sheffield this morning, and he's been on about young people and music. And Toby Foster should have had vital question. Should have asked him, what do you think? A major in army, Iraq war, illegal war. Yeah. And Toby Foster should have turned around and said, what do you think about these memorial trees that they're chopping down in Sheffield? But he didn't ask him that.
Yeah, I listened to that, the radio this morning.
This morning, yeah.
What? So the council have made an announcement that they're going to reduce the number of trees.
Right.
What's your take on that? What do you think that means?
Well, I think that protests will carry on until they...
They didn't actually say they weren't going to chop down the...
It'll start again when people will start standing under these trees, and there'll be spies out seeing, hearing whether they hear or not, but if they know that somebody's got along with chainsaws, the spies that will keep, like they did do when it first started. I mean, I was all around these on Riverlin Valley Road yesterday. I drove down Riverlin Valley Road, and then I went up to Western Park Memorials and had seen them for the first time. and people that protesters that have gone to trouble of putting all these stories up on trees and finding out about these lads that got killed. That, the real names of lads that got killed. 19-year-olds, some of them on Western Park, on Kangarosa side.
Yeah, and the council have tried to pretend that some of the trees weren't planted at that time.
When?
The council at one point were trying to certain councillors were trying to suggest that the trees on Western Road weren't that old. They were planted after.
Yeah, that's what they told me. They told me that.
Yeah, and it's not true.
Councillors were arguing.
It's not true.
No. I mean, even if they don't, it might be a case that they don't know which tree is a memorial tree, so they can't decide. They've got to leave them all, you know.
So, from what I understand, when they made a very vague statement this morning, saying that they would reduce the number of trees. They didn't say they weren't going to chop down the memorial trees,
No,
did they?
that's what
So they're still under threat.
Yeah.
So they're just.
They could have made an announcement about memorial trees weeks and weeks back. There's one councillor, Green, Alison. I don't know if you know her.
Yes,
She's been to me on steps and she said, I don't think these trees will come down. So
Yeah,
I don't know what
I suspect the last on their felling list.
yeah, they're going to have some trouble.
Yes.
I've committed myself on camera.
Yes. Yeah,
I
I think they're aware that they will have a fight if they. So what they'll do is leave them till the very last.
Yeah.
And that's basically what they've done in other areas of Sheffield, isn't it? They've gone to places where they don't think, and they were right, they didn't get very much resistance, and left the places where they get the most resistance to the very end.
That's needed, yeah.
Yes,
Well,
it's
when
cynical,
it comes
isn't
to
it?
elections, local elections, I might be outside here. Remember the sacrilege on local elections? I've told that Julie Dawes, I've told her she shot herself in foot with this memorial.
Yes, it's
Told her
certainly
in
not doing them
council
any
chamber.
any good, is it?
I said, you shot yourself in foot, Julie Dawes.
So you've been out here from 10 o'clock until 3,
Yeah.
2 days a week. That's a hell of a commitment, isn't it? It's not always like this out here, is it? It's not always pleasant weather.
There's not been a day when it's rained apart from other Thursday about a fortnight.
All right.
And we'd changed day from Thursday on that rainy day to Wednesday. So we've never had any trouble with the weather. Somebody's upstairs knows that we're doing right.
Well, I really appreciate what you're doing here. I thought I'd come down and give you a bit of support. And if you don't mind, I'll post this on the STAG Facebook page, if that's all right with you. Okay, thanks. I'll stop it there.
Everything counts, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.